Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean a flat screen TV properly. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a flat screen TV, and the process for cleaning a TV just like this is going to be the same for the majority of flat screen TVs that you come across. The first step before you do anything is to actually go and unplug the TV. I always recommend doing this because when we're cleaning the TV, we don't want to touch anything that we're not supposed to touch, and we're going to be using just a slightly damp cloth. So I'm just going to unplug this entire power strip right over here. So this leads to this right here, and all of the TV and the TV peripherals are plugged into that. So I'm just unplugging the entire thing. So now the TV is unplugged, the soundbar is unplugged, everything's unplugged here, so I don't have to worry. Next, you want to get a microfiber cloth, and it's very important to get a microfiber cloth and not just a regular one, because a microfiber one will not scratch the surface of the TV. And I just use one cloth, and as you can see on one side, it is barely damp. Basically, I just wet the cloth and I wrung it out, and I even let it dry for a little bit. So it's like, as you can see, there's no water at all coming out of it. It's just barely damp. And then the other side is completely dry. So I'm able to use one cloth because I need a wet cloth, a damp cloth and a dry cloth. So one side is damp, the other side is dry. It just allows you to do it with only one. What you want to do, and once again, this is not a wet cloth, it is just barely damp at all. Just to clarify, it is just like barely damp at all. What you want to do is take the damp side, and we're going to start off by wiping the TV. We're going to just wipe around the frame of the TV just like this. Okay? Start off by wiping the frame, and then we're going to wipe across. And you want to stay in one direction. You don't want to go side to side and up and down or on angles, because you want to just keep the same direction with regards to the damp cloth. Even though we're going to dry it, this will really prevent any water streaks from forming. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the dry side of the cloth. So let's go ahead and get the dry side. Here's the dry side of the cloth. And I'm going to dry the frame. First of all, so we're doing the same order. Drying the frame first and foremost, just like this. Okay? And then now, I'm drying the TV screen in the same direction that I wiped it, which is side to side. This will really get rid of any watermarks, and it's going to prevent any glare from occurring, because if you go up and down and side to side and you sort of switch the directions, then what might happen is eventually I'm almost falling over here, sorry, it's a little bit of a tight space. Eventually, you might get some water spots as it dries up, but by doing it this way, where I only went side to side, or you can just go up and down, but only choose one direction, either horizontally or vertically, okay? By doing this, you're going to prevent any water spots from occurring. And as you can see, there's just one little tiny little spot on here. It's just a little piece of fluff. But other than that, the TV is absolutely spotless. There's no water spots, there's no dust, there's no dirt. And when I turn it on, I'm going to get the best color and the best look for the TV by doing that. And it literally takes a minute, and I do this basically once every 2 weeks, give or take. And I just use the same cloth, and I go and do all of the TVs in the house. So, I mean, it's really simple, and to be honest with you, you can use the same cloth to clean the TV stand, the cable box, the sound bar, and anything else that's there. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.